In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Yahoo junk mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your inbox, and mark unwanted messages as spam so Yahoo learns to filter them out automatically. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo homepage. Look to the upper right corner and click Sign In. On the next screen, you may see a prompt to continue with an account you've used before. If that's the one you want, select it. If not, choose the option to use a different account and sign in with your own credentials. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Once you're signed in, you'll be back on Yahoo's main page. Now, go to Mail. Again at the upper right, click the Mail link or icon. This opens your Yahoo Mail inbox. If you see a second Mail button or prompt, click it to enter your mailbox fully. Give the page a moment to load your messages. In your inbox, find a message you consider junk. Click the email to open it so you can see the full message content in the toolbar at the top. You don't need to interact with any links or attachments in that message. In fact, it's best not to click anything inside spam emails. With the unwanted message open, look at the top of the page for the spam button. It's usually in the row of actions, alongside options like move or delete. Click spam. Yahoo will immediately move that message to your spam folder and use that action as a signal that similar emails should be filtered out in the future. That's the core process. Sign into Yahoo, open Mail, select the unwanted email, and click Spam. Each time you do this, you help train Yahoo's filters, which improves your inbox over time. If you accidentally mark a message as spam, you can later visit your spam folder and choose Not Spam to return it to your inbox and retrain the filter. A few quick tips as you work through this. If you're on a slower connection, give pages a moment to load before clicking again to avoid duplicate actions. If you don't immediately see mail at the top, resize your browser window or look for a menu icon that reveals it. And remember, marking as spam is safer than opening or replying to suspicious emails because it removes them and reduces future clutter. Repeat this process for any other junk messages you see. Consistent use of the spam button keeps your inbox cleaner and helps Yahoo recognize the patterns you don't want. Thanks for watching, and happy tidying.